Samuel. Hi. Wave. Show me how you can ride your bike. Look at him go. What about Allison? You want to show me how you can ride your bike? Why not? Okay, show me, Samuel, how you can go. Whee! Samuel, did you see that Dad opened up that area down there? You can go all the way down that way. Right down there by the garbage can.